2008 Nissan Sunny. Customer complaint, check engine light is on and pedal is no response. You see, check engine light is on, no response. Accelerator pedal is no response. Let's check, diagnose what is the problem. RPM in 7-800 but no response. Fully depressed. Let's diagnose the car. Nissan engine control module. Okay. Read code P2122 up sensor circuit 1, up sensor circuit 2. Problem and this up sensor, this is the pedal, this sensor is problem. Let's we repair, open and repair and see response. Let me check in the live data. Data stream, select from menu. This is throttle sensor, where this is the accelerator pedal position sensor, sensor 1 and sensor 2. You see 1.83 0.22. This 0.22 is not good. This is must be same this like 0.50, 0.75. Something problem in the pedal position sensor. Let's check of the car and see. All the Nissan Sunny is the same problem. Here is one plastic is broke in the pedal. You can see better one clip. No need to change the whole parts, only change this clip, any clip. You see this hole? Here one clip. We can fix one clip and check the result. This is the clip I want to fix. One fills, two fills, price. The design is different. The factory design is different than this. Then I fix this and check. No friends, I fixed the clip, you see. You can see better. Little dark. See the black clip? I fixed this. Now start the car. Check engine light is gone. Everything fixed. Only one box, half box. How many feet? This is only this problem. Read the code. See data stream now. Select from menu. Accelerator 1, accelerator sensor 2. (1.10) and 0.51. Before sensor 2 is 0.22. If less than 34, computer not accepted engine ECU, the voltage, and disconnect the throttle motor. Okay, thank you for watching. Good experience.